Dear everyone, good evening to the present and the future of Mumbai and Indian cricket. We'll start with a quote by Mithali Raj. The more you win, the brand of women's cricket will go higher. I, Aditya Singh, the Senior Manager of Somaya Sports Academy, welcome you all present at the venue and joining us online on YouTube to the closing ceremony and prize distribution of the third season of Somaya Cricket Championship Women's T10 Open Category Invitational Tournament. The tournament witnessed one of the best 8 women's teams in Mumbai play T10 cricket with ping ball at the beautiful SCG, that is Somaya Cricket Ground. Would like to share some tournament stats. So we had a total of 16 matches, 123 women cricketers participated, a total of 1,861 runs in a T10 format. You can clap for yourselves. 115 wickets taken, 122 solid boundaries, 2 huge sixes, and very importantly, few of you bowled 4 maiden overs. In a T10 format, it is gold. We witnessed amazing qualities like determination, courage, discipline, temperament in the talented cricketers of the Mumbai cricket. We thank Zooter, our webcasting partner, Somaya Sports Academy organizing team, Mr. Pratik Goregaonkar. Can we have a round of applause for him? Ms. Purva Chauhan, Mr. Nitin Barade, Mr. Mohit Singh, Mr. Akshat Shetty, our curator and our groundsman giving us amazing pitch and great outfield. The umpires who have conducted the matches fairly. Today we are in the presence of the director of Somaya Sports Academy who dreamt the beautiful Somaya Cricket Ground, the nets facility, and guided us to start the Somaya Cricket Championships, the under-16 cricket tournament for the school teams in Mumbai and also the women's cricketers present in here. Can we have a round of applause for Izaz sir? He's a wonderful wicket-keeper batsman. Last week he scored 21 runs on the last over, winning the match single-handedly. So I request Izaz sir to please step forward and say a few words.
Thank you, Aditya. Girls, you can come closer, please. Don't be shy. I've lost my voice, so I keep talking about these things. So the idea of cricket ground came to me was just to make sure that Mumbai, when I used to play corporate league, and I thought ground of Shivaji Park, the likes of Azad Maidan, where grass was a dream to watch on a ground, right? And that's one of the reasons I thought that jis din ground banaunga, the ground has to have some kind of standard. And this is what is right now for you guys. With this ground, we want to make sure that, we've been discussing lots of plans for Somaya, how do we grow, how to make it bigger for our young cricketers who would come and play for the country. I was talking to Lard sir, Dinesh Lard sir, who is Rohit Sharma's coach, and he was saying that from that small ground what he's training, from there he has managed to create players like Rohit Sharma, Shardul Thakur, but that small, which is of this size. It's like if this ground cannot produce players to play India, then what's the use? So we want to make sure that we give a platform to everybody and every Indian, not just Mumbaikar, not only just Maharashtrian, but every Indian should get this chance. That's one of the reasons we started a tournament where it's a league stage. Usually आप लोग देखोगे कि tournament when we play, knockout होता है, we don't have a chance to come back, nothing. So we want to make sure that since the ground is ours, so we can have more matches, we want to give you this opportunity to make sure that you come back. And that's what I saw, lots of matches that happen. The way you guys have played, I was really enjoying myself. Like there is no feeling as such that there is no discrimination कि girls match है, boys match है. It is a completely international class. The way you guys were diving, the throw was too good, that run out. I think it was completely a fantastic catch at the boundary line. I think it was you. What an amazing catch. I think for a leather ball, somebody to stand over there, just to stand below the ball itself is like, you need a guts. And you were so calm and so easily. That's what says that you guys are trained well. And we wanted that to happen so that our girls from this city should shine in the country. And that was the idea. Thanking, as Aditya said, that our groundsman who has done really good job. Your coaches, your parents have supported you, and my coaches over here, my team event who's been trying to do this. This is the third year we managed to have so many teams. We want to grow bigger. We want the word to spread. We, as a university, as a college, we are trying to promote getting more students under the sports quota so that we can push them, we can make them. It's not about Somaiya winning, it's all about girls getting to play. Girls have to have that kind of facility. Why should only boys have the fun, right? So we want to make sure that you guys have lots of fun and enjoy this kind of cricket from Somaiya. People like Kaslikar sir, he has been here every time. Thank you sir for coming, getting the ticket. So, he's been getting, Junjunwala team over here, boys team, girls team. So that's what we want to make sure that we are open to everybody and enjoy the best which is available in the city of Mumbai. So I wish you all the best for future. Make sure that you keep participating every time you come here. I don't want to stand between these beautiful trophies and you guys. We need to start celebration as quick as possible. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Izaz sir, for the heartfelt words. We proceed with the prize distribution. We start with the player of the match of the third place. Any guesses? Third place.
Yes, kya kehna? Somaiya.
Player of the match
Okay.
from Somaiya Sports Academy, scoring 33 runs in 33 balls. We have Alina Mullah. The player of the match of the grand finale, scoring 23 runs in 20 balls, we have Kritika Krishna Kumari. Now, individual awards of the tournament. We start with the best bowler of the tournament, taking 5 wickets in 4 innings with a 4.06 economy in T10 format. From Junjunwala College, we have Divyanka Singh. We move on to the best batswoman, scoring 101 runs in 3 innings. From Achievers Cricket Academy, we have Sanaya Joshi. Best fielder, the coaches were telling she's like Virat Kohli in the 30-yard circle. With 1 run out, 3 catches from Somaiya Sports Academy, we have the young Ashira Patil. We move on to the best player of the tournament. What consistency, same as last year. Scoring 92 runs in 3 innings, taking 2 catches and 1 run out. We have Rushali Bhagat. So talking about consistency, we have the same winners like last year. We invite the team to step forward for the medals and the trophy. At the third position, we have got the Somaiya Sports Academy team to please step forward to get the medals and the trophy from Izaz sir. Prepare and come. Save time. ठीक है, bearing and runners up now. For the second time in a row, we have got Ram Narayan, Junjanwala College. Request the entire team to please step forward to receive the medals and the trophy.
Come from there.
Medal पहन के जाने के.
वहाँ जाके देखिए. वो the captain was standing. ले आओ. Yeah.
एक फोटो प्लीज थोड़ा थोड़ा और क्लोज आ जा. थैंक यू.
Last and not the least, the champions of the third season of Somaya Cricket Championship T10 League. We have got Shri Ma Gurukul team. I request them to please step forward to receive the medals and the trophy.
आप आ जाओ. सर आप भी आओ. वो तो कैप्टन है. Right way. Come तो बजाओ पहले तुम.
Ready?
सॉरी फोटो अरे यार ट्रॉफी उठाने में और विशेष का मैं आ जाता हूँ. एक बार टीम फोटो ले लो.
अभी बजा ले लो. नहीं बज रही.
We look forward to making the Somaya Cricket Championship becoming a platform for budding cricketers of Mumbai cricket. Cheers to the game. See you the next season.